Well, in our silver garden, I wanted to show you a plant that you actually may be seeing quite a bit in some of the garden centers right now. It's called curry plant. And you can see here that it is a great candidate for the silver garden. It has beautiful silver foliage. These are nice narrow leaves. It's actually very soft when you feel it. And it has some very pretty, which are just getting ready to open, yellow flowers on the top. Now this plant will actually grow about 2 feet tall, and it can overwinter here in Oklahoma. Now it is called curry plant, however, it is not the curry that you cook with. But if you pick a leaf and smell it, it will definitely smell like curry. It'll make you very hungry for curried food. But it's not what we cook with, because when you actually cook with this, the flavor of that smell actually dissipates. And this plant is really used more for potpourris, and an essential oil is distilled from the flowers. So while it is a curry plant, it has that smell. It's not the curry that we cook with. However, it's a great plant to use for potpourris and to add to your silver garden.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.